So the spike is a little long. It's about 6 inches. I wanted it to be about 4.5 inches. So I'm gonna cut it down at 3 and 3 1/4, and then forge out the point again, so it's a little bit shorter. Hey guys, so here's the finished stump anvil. I wanted to show you one quick thing. I wanted to show you the offset of the spike. It is offset towards this corner, but I think with the limited use that it will probably see, as well as if I do actually start using it, I'll bung it in some oak or some hardwood, and hardwood should be able to take the impact with just this 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch side over here. Considering it has, 3/4 of an inch over here. It was 1045 steel that I forged. It's all one piece. I heat treated it. It didn't skate a file, but it did harden because it's 1045. It's never going to skate a file. I quenched it in water. Put my maker's mark, my last name on there. Tried to get it vaguely octagonal shaped for a wide face. It weighs about 4.5 pounds. I started out with 6 pounds of steel, or a little under 6 pounds, 5 and like 12 ounces, something like that. So about 6 pounds of steel. I forged it down, and it, I'd say lost a pound and over a pound of scale, and then I had to cut off this section and then forge it out. That's why it kind of is loose in the anvil now, because I forged out this section smaller. But just a couple wraps of duct tape and that'll fix it. Or you can shim it with a piece of metal. But I'm pretty happy with it. This is like the first part of my traveling blacksmithing set that I'm trying to put together in case I go to a place that I would like to go get a job into. I might have to take a traveling anvil and just a hammer and maybe a chisel and one pair of tongs. So I'm gathering that together. Maybe a file, even that. Trying to get it under 10 pounds. This, along with the hammer, is already 6 pounds. The chisel, another 1/2 pound, maybe a 1/4 pound, and then so probably already 8 pounds up with this hammer, chisel, and a pair of tongs. So the file will probably bring it up to another 9 pounds. So try and keep it under 10 pounds. But I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. If there's anything I can do better next time, let me know. I think for the spike, if I hammered it while I was trying to set the shoulder in a circle more, hit it, took a step to the right, hit it, took a step to the right, hit it, keep going around in a circle, it would be more centered. But I think it's perfectly usable. It's definitely hardened, as hard as my hammer, and I'm happy about that. So thanks for watching, guys.